The Bhoto Jatra, a traditional event in Nepal, concluded on Sunday once again without any claims for the jewel-studded West or Bhoto, which remains with Rato Machindranath, the red god of Nepal. In Nepal, the Bhoto Jatra concluded on August 4, marking another year without any claims for the jewel-studded West or Bhoto, which has stayed in the possession of Rato Machindranath. The Bhoto or jewel-studded West is shown to the public on the last day of Rato Machindranath Jatra, which symbolizes the end of the longest Jatra and the start of the festivities. It's a tradition that has been followed for a long time, and the Bhoto has remained unclaimed since then. This year, it also displayed the jewel-studded West to the public, sealed and secured as the Himalayan nation continues to search for its true owner. Yagya Ratna Shakya, one of the priests of Lord Machindranath, said that the Bhoto displays the apparel of Nagin, the queens of snakes, adding that it was studded with jewels, which was then given as an award to the farmer who was able to cure the eye problem of the Nagin by the Nagraj, king of snakes.
एउटा चाहिँ अब यो भोटो भनेको नागिनको एउटा चाहिँ वस्त्र हैन एकदमै बहुमूल्य रत्नले जडित वस्त्र र त्यो वैद्यलाई आफ्नो पत्नीको आँखाको रोग निको भएको गराइदिएको कारणले उहाँले बक्सको रूपमा पठाइदिनु भएको भोटो हो र त्यो भोटो किसानले के रे काम गर्ने क्रममा खेतमा काम गर्ने क्रममा चाहिँ गर्मी भएर फुकालेको अवस्थामा अनि त्यो भुटले चोरेर लगेको र यही जात्रामा चाहिँ भुटबाट चाहिँ के रे किसानले त्यो भोटो फेला परेको अवस्था र त्यसैले चाहिँ अब दुवैजनाको बीचमा भोटो तेरो र मेरो भन्ने झगडा भयो। त्यो झगडा भइसकेपछि अब यो अनि एउटा तान्त्रिकले थाहा पाए यो किन झगडा गरे यिनीहरू भन्दाखेरि यो भोटोको लागि झगडा गरेर रहेछ यही ठाउँमा जलखेलमा। अनि त्यही कारणले गर्दाखेरि अब यो ल तिमीहरू झगडा गर्यो अहिले हैन, तर कसको हो त यो झगडा, यो के रे भोटो कसको हो त? जबसम्म तिमीहरूसँग दशी प्रमाण हुँदैन, प्रमाण जसले ल्याउन सक्छ त्यसलाई हामी दिन्छौँ, त्यो प्रमाण ल्याउन नसकेसम्म यो मचिन्द्रनाथकै ठाउँमा चाहिँ नासोको रूपमा रहनेछ, जसले प्रमाण लिएर आउँछ अनि तब दिने भनेर अनि यो राष्ट्र प्रमुखलाई एउटा न्यायाधीशको रूपमा प्रमाण जाँच्नका लागि यो भोटो देखाउने चाहिँ चलन चल्दै आएको।
The Bhoto displayed annually at Jwala Khel in Lalitpur has pearls and jewels attached to it. The jewel-studded West is packed and kept inside the cloth pouch for a year and opened only in the presence of the state head on a particular day fixed by the priest when the Rato Machindranath Jatra commences.
यो भोटो दर्शन गरे बापत वर्षको एकचोटि भोटो दर्शन गरे बापत अस्त महा भए कष्ट हरण हुने, जस्तो चोरको दोष लाग्ने हैन, अब आँधीबेहरीको दोष लाग्ने, विभिन्न खालको अनि ऐश्वर्य प्राप्ति हुने, यस्ता कुराहरू सबै कुरा यी अष्ट महा भए कष्ट चाहिँ हरण हुने भएको कारणले यसको एकदमै महत्त्वपूर्ण अर्थ रहेको छ।
The showing of the West on that particular day shows it to be safe with the state and who is the owner of the West to come and claim it. This long-run practice has become an integral part of the month-long festival. Yagya Ratna Shakya highlighted that whoever attends the Bhoto Jatra or witnesses the procession once a year would not face any hardships and troubles in life. This age-old tradition, dating back over 1,000 years, has continued in the ancient city of Lalitpur following a mythology where Charkat Nag, king of Nag wife's eyes, were aching for a long time. They then took a Jayapu working in the field for treatment. He was not sure what he was going to do, so he rubbed his armpit and put it into Queen's eye, and it cured the problem, according to the belief. The king then asked him for his wish and asked for a Bhoto. While working in the field, the studded West was stolen by a Khayak. The farmer then came to the Jatra, hoping whosoever had stolen the West would come wearing it and found the ghost.